Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show Student Tracking Management System project in C#.NET with source code. To download this source code, link is given in description below. So first of all, open this project in Visual Studio 2015 and then explain step by step. So this is our Student Tracking System project file. Run this solution file and open it in Visual Studio 2015. Okay, this project is opened in Visual Studio. So this is the business layer folder, data access layer file, and this is our main form of our project, student tracking system. So open this form. Okay, so this is our student tracking system form. In this form, student information description. In this information, first name, initial, last name, date of birth, person, contact number, address, sex, male and female, stream, medical engineering, subject, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and batch, morning or evening, and email ID, roll number, photo, and generate the roll number. And this is the all controls: save, delete, add new. So run this form. Okay, so this is our final output of our project. When you click on add new, delete and add new option is disabled and only save option is enabled. And you add a new student information, enter here and then click on save. So this is the menu strip. In this menu strip, student information. In this student information, enter information details, view information, pay slip, scorecard, performance. In teacher, enter information details, view information, pay slip, performance. Non-tech, enter information details, view information, pay slip, performance. Offered subjects, engineering, medical. And in the branches names. Okay, so this is our student tracking management system project. I hope you like this project. If you like this project, you can download this project. Link is given in description below. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.